compound stage. I'll wipe the piece clean and move on to finer compounds. Each one is less aggressive and designed to bring out more shine. By the time I get to the final polish, the piece starts looking completely different. That's when you see the copper come alive with a reflective glow. Now that I've taken care of most of the deeper scratches with the white diamond compound, it's time to switch over to the red block, also known as red rouge. This polishing compound is much finer, and instead of cutting deep into the surface, it smooths things out and starts to bring out that bright reflective shine. When I work with the red rouge, I like to move slower and let the compound do the work. You'll notice right away that the surface of the pendant begins to change from a dull, flat copper tone to something more glossy. This step is all about building up that shine and evening out the finish after the heavy work we did earlier. I'll keep going with the red rouge until the entire pendant has an even, glassy look. At this point, it's not just polished copper anymore. It starts looking like a finished piece of jewelry. As I keep working with the red rouge, you can actually start to see the mirror shine forming on the surface. This is the most satisfying part of polishing. Watching a dull, rough-looking copper finish slowly transform into a reflective surface. Give it a quick clean and rinse.